Said he calling from Atlanta, say he miss me. Well. Guess better than that private had to give me. Expect this to be a long, cold winter.
Alright you guys, so I am currently in Vietnam. I am in the city called Ho Chi Minh City, which is the south side of Vietnam. The first thing I'm gonna do is get my nails done. Okay, I got my nails done in Malaysia. It was horrible. 0 out of 10, do not recommend. Okay, I don't give a damn, don't do it, because I've never had acrylics put on and it just popped off, and then it's breaking off on the side. Like, I literally just got my nails done 4 days ago. Tomorrow I'm going to try to get my nails done again, and then I am going to Chu Chi Tunnel, which has a shooting range. Okay, I'm really going for the gun range, but also to learn about the Vietnam War and about Agent Orange. I'm not really familiar with that part of American history, so I am eager to learn. I have a list of things I'm doing in each city. Okay, they have a few different things that I'm going to do, so you guys make sure you stay tuned.
The Brighton Park on the map stands for Phu Chi district. It's a 425 square kilometers.
6, 9,
And on the Brighton Park you see many colors.
yeah, different.
Color by color.
This is the bamboo trap.
Crab.
Hunting?
Hunting animal. Yeah, inside the forest. A lot of tiger, bear, aggressive animal. Where? It's over there. This is deep. 1 meter deep. It's so deep. 1 meter, yeah, just close that. Okay, no problem. Hey, don't forget to camouflage by the leaf. Your hair straight up. Slowly bend down, slowly. Very tiny. Difficult. Oh, come on.
Not easy for them to do fighting each other.
No, that's crazy.
That's crazy, right? Oh, jump up again. Slowly. You need wait.
I'm stuck.
So to please hold on.
Oh, I'm stuck.
Hai bên nha. 1, 2, 3. Right, okay. Look easy, but not easy. Yeah, right? You okay?
Yeah.
I'm good, right? So check your belonging. I show you another one. Eye of the tunnel for Vietnamese soldier. Yep. So when you get inside, you get inside as well. What did you see?
Darkness.
Darkness.
Tapioca. You dip it?
Yep, you dip it. You dip it. That is the way for tourists.
What? That one? Good.
Peanut sugar and salt.
Okay. It's tapioca.
It don't taste like anything.
It's the same thing they're doing in barbecue.
It's nasty. It's nasty. I am here at Coconut Lake. I'm about to go on a boat tour, and it's hot as a bitch. It's so hot. Let me tell you guys what happened yesterday, the day before yesterday. So I was getting dressed to come here, and I fell down some fucking stairs and twisted my ankle, y'all. I had to go to the ER. I had to go to the hospital, and then I went to the pharmacy. They gave me some medicine. I rested yesterday. The medicine that they gave me got me perked up. No, seriously, it really got me like perked up, and I feel like I can go kick a door in or some shit like that. The people here are so incredibly nice, especially the people at my Airbnb, because when I fell down the stairs, the owner came with his brother to help pick me up and take me to the hospital because I could not. Oh, thank you. It's hot. They gave me a coconut.
Cháu uống đồ là cháu cũng như cháu nuôi là cháu vô cầm thanh đồ, vô cầm thanh đồ.
I'll take a picture. Okay, yes, go ahead.
Người đẹp đó, người đẹp đó.
You got it. Oh, you got it. You got it.
Thank you.
No problem. No problem.
Yes.
I got them ankle on fire now. I can't believe I'm in Vietnam, bro. All the trials and tribulations that I faced in life was all worth it because I didn't let anything stop me from accomplishing my goals. And I'm just truly like, it really amazed me how far that I've came. And I had so many people against me, but I prevailed every single time, and I'm just truly thankful. Like, I will never ever take anything for granted. I am truly thankful, and I am truly blessed to even be here. Like, I am in Vietnam living my best life. Like, I'm truly thankful and I'm truly blessed, bro. Only if you knew my story, man. Only if you knew my story. God is so good. Oh yeah, he's gonna fish. Oh my gosh, thank you, Lord, for everything that you continue to do for me in my life. I pray that you continue to guide me, you continue to keep me safe, you continue to allow me to accomplish every goal that I set for myself. I pray that I am becoming the woman that you made me to be, now and forever. I thank you in advance for the blessings that you're going to pour into my life, Lord. I just thank you. I just thank you. I just thank you so much. Oh! But it looks like I just jumped in a fuck. Look at this. And I'm scared to look at my butt. I know that shit is moist. That's how hot it is out here. Like, don't make no sense how hot it is. The clappers are clapping. It's getting too loud. Oh, there you go. Is this the same guy? Hi. Yes. Okay, hold on. Let me put my. Thank you. Oh, uh-oh. Yeah, I got a big head. Big head?
Okay. Okay.
Yeah, it's fine. Perfecto. All right, let's roll, friend. Put my purse in the front. So I made it to my lunch reservations. This place is absolutely beautiful. I have me a mojito. This right here is shrimp wonton soup with a mojito on the side, and this sauce right here is so freaking good. So good. 10 out of 10, highly recommend. You gotta get on your Zoom. Make sure you guys follow me on TikTok because I get on live randomly on a TikTok. So anyways, so I'm over here devouring my wonton chicken and shrimp soup. It is so good, so good. 10 out of 10, highly recommend. It came with a spicy paste and I ended up eating it all, so they brought me the whole bowl. So good. And then this right here is raw spring rolls. It has chicken, shrimp, sesame seeds, onions, and some other stuff. I don't even know what's in it, but it's so fire. And then so it's dipping sauce. So good. And then my drink is also equally good, but I don't want to drink too much because I forgot I am on medicine for my ankle. So I forgot to, I'm gonna slow down with this alcohol because I don't want to mix and shit. But yeah, this shit fire, y'all. This shit fire.